Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bite. I'm with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, so I'm at the Alta Sunset Heights. The Alta Sunset Heights, and this is the fitness center. Yep, pump it up, baby, pump it up. So here we go, let's look at it. It's got some pretty good equipment. It's got some good free weight equipment that's here. That's some good stuff for your legs, for your arms, your shoulders. Do those squats and benches and stuff like that. You've got some dumbbells over there, and you got some kettlebells, and here is your typical spin machine, ellipticals, got a nice TV over there, and then you've got some treadmills over here. So it's really nice. It's well lit. It smells great. There is a lot of light coming in here, so this is a really cool gym. I would say it's like bordering on large, not quite large, but bordering on there. And I would give it maybe a B plus rating is my rating. If it had a little bit more weight equipment, I would give it an A minus. But I do like it, and I do think the space is good, and I don't think you're gonna have any problem getting a workout here. Okay, now let's go see some models. I can't wait to see it. If you have any questions at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below.